Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick review on these Massca hold down clamps. They are 5.5 inches long and 1.25 inches wide, and they really hold down well. I've got them on my drill press and my mini sled, and I plan on getting more. That way I can put them on my full-size sled. Let me show you. They do come with a 5/16 inch bolt, T-bolt, but that was too big for mine. I only use 1/4 inch. I did talk to them, and they said that they're planning on coming out with some 1/4 inch also. So if you get them, just switch out the bolts. This is the bolt it comes with, 5/16 inch T-bolt with a star knob. They hold down really well. If you can see, I can't really do it one-handed very well, but I'm trying to move it, and it's not really moving. I'll put it on my sled and let you see it too. And then here it is on the sled. Tighten it down, and it's not moving. The sled's actually moving and not the wood. But I like them. They work really well. They're made out of aluminum. They're high tension clamping capability, and they come with star knobs, which is really cool. If you're looking to get some, go over to masscaproducts.com and pick some up. They're fairly inexpensive too. They're, I think, 15 bucks for 2 of them, and they work really well. There it is from the side also. I plan on getting more.